I mentioned earlier that you can hook in the data management gateway into your own environment. As soon as you do that, it will refresh that data on a regular basis to ensure that workbooks and reports that are built upon that data have the ability to have consistently fresh data. You, of course, within your organization, your IT team can completely control what data sources that data management gateway has access to. It can control who has rights to those different data sources. All of that can be configured to be able to leverage the solution. And the biggest benefit that we've seen with the data management gateway is that once you've surfaced it all in Power BI, I'm not spending time on my own personal machine inside the office trying to get access to some SQL server. Instead, I'm just connecting to my internet-facing Power BI site. It's locked down from a security perspective, so only I can access the reports that I need. But it ensures that I'm not having to hunt around for some IT person to get me the database access that I need to be able to do my job. That data catalog that I mentioned earlier is surfaced within Excel itself. So I don't even have to go up to a Office 365 Power BI site to be able to take advantage of the fact that data is being stored there. As long as I connect into my own data catalog, I can see all of the information that's been published to me. That could be information that I generated from myself. It could be information that's publicly held. Let's imagine that a particular article on the World Bank site or the CIA site or the Wikipedia site, whatever data source you want to use, if it's something that you're regularly accessing and you want other members of your organization to be able to take advantage of, if it's something off the World Factbook, let's say, you can certainly publish that into your organization's data catalog, and then everyone who keeps asking you, hey, how did you get those numbers so quickly, can get it from you immediately. It's important to note that you'll always have the ability to get mobile access to the Power BI sites. Microsoft has spent a lot of time rebuilding a lot of the Excel experience to render in HTML5, so that if you're on any HTML5 compatible browser on any device, whether it's Safari or Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer, you name it, as long as it's HTML5 compatible, you'll be able to connect in and get access to those reports. There's also a native mobile business intelligence app that runs on Windows 8.1 right now, as well as iOS later this year. So if you want to be able to consume that from an app perspective, you'll also be able to do that.